We have so many crazy free plugins today to show you that you're gonna wonder to yourself, how the heck did I not know about this earlier? But really quick, you should probably know that there is no order to this, right? So the first one's just as good as the last one and vice versa. And you're gonna want all of them, I can almost guarantee it. And some of these even have hundreds to thousands of presets. I'm not even kidding. And because we're talking about so many of them, we're really just gonna glance over it, show you a couple presets, and move on. Also, smash the like button for us so that you can come back to this video later and finish downloading them, because it's gonna take you a while to get all of these. But without any further ado, let's jump right into this. Alright, so this first one is called Dext, and it's based on the Yamaha DX7. This one is a 6-operator FM synth, and it's got a lot of dope presets. Let's check out a couple. Okay, so the next one we're going to look at is Chromatic by Lander, and this one's pretty similar to Arcade, except there's a lot of free presets in it. I like this one because it has a really nice colorful interface that'll get you inspired to make music, and then you can go through some of these packs here and find where the free ones are at. What's up, everybody? It's Fearless from the future here. The video got corrupted, so we're redoing it, and we're doing it even better. Let's get back in. And the next one we're talking about is the Sonatina Symphonic Orchestra. And this one I've known about and had for quite a while now. Super good for your orchestral sounds. You're going to get things like strings, flutes, keys, choirs, violins, and all the basic things you would find in an orchestra. And here's some of those presets. And now we're going to talk about what might be one of the highest quality vendors for plugins out there, and that's Spitfire. So if you haven't heard of Labs yet, that's a free instrument from Spitfire where you can go and download all kinds of different patches for any instrument you can think of. And these are definitely the highest quality instrument sounds that you're going to get for free, and that's guaranteed. But I've talked about this one so many times that we're not even going to go that far into it. Just trust me and get it if you haven't already, because you're not going to be disappointed. Also on the Spitfire website, you can see this piano book community project that they have. And these are work in progress plugins from the community that they offer different sound banks from different users on different instruments that they go ahead and make from scratch. And depending on which one you end up getting, it might require you to get a sampler VST, but it's all going to be free. There's the decent sampler, or you might need to get the free version of Contact to use some of these. And you can see that new ones come up all the time in the community, and you can go in here and read the blogs and see what the people are talking about and download them right from the users that made them. And here's a couple of those presets. But by far, my favorite free offering from Spitfire is the BBC Orchestra. And this one's going to have your high quality orchestral sounds like violas, trumpets, piccolos, and harps, and anything you may find in those categories. So let's check out some of those presets now. Alright, we mentioned this one before, and this one is Decent Sampler. So you're going to be able to find different presets from the pianobook.com, but there's also other places you can find them. So when you open up this plugin, you're going to see there's a tab there for the sample store. And you can go down and see all the offerings that they have, and there's going to be tons of free ones that you can download right here without having to go to any other website. It makes it super simple. And then you can go into your browser and find them after they download. And here's a couple of those presets. And the next one we're talking about is the SforZando, and I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly, but this one is super similar to the Decent Sampler because it's a sampler plugin and you can get presets from different users and different websites all over the place. When you go to their website to go ahead and download the plugin itself, you can go to the download section and you can see all the instruments that they have right here on the page to download. And as you can see, there's a ton of them. And most of these are completely for free. But you also have to go to this Vercillion Studios website because they have extremely high quality orchestral sounds that you can get for this sampler as well. So when you go here, you're going to go to the products section on their website. And you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to go ahead and see the free ones, right? They have the Chamber Orchestra Community Edition, which is going to have just about every orchestral instrument you can think of. It's a large file, but it's got everything in there, so definitely grab that. They have a really nice upright piano, a harp that's really nice that we're going to take a look at here in a second. You can see they have some drums, and they just have all kinds of little instruments here that'll get you going for free. So take a look at this, download whatever you like, and check out some of these samples right here. The next one we're taking a look at is Surge XT, which is a free and open source hybrid synthesizer. And this one has a fantastic UI and is super great for sound design if that's something you're interested in. And believe it or not, this one has 2,779 presets, all for free. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Let's check out some of these presets. And the next one we're taking a look at is the Tal Noise Maker. This is an analog synth with about 178 presets, but all of them are super fire, so definitely grab this one and check it out. And also, Tal has a lot of really good free plugins on their website that you can also take advantage of, such as their reverb, and check out these crazy presets. Alright, and the next one we're taking a look at is the Tyrell N6. And this is another analog synthesizer with really great leads, synths, and bass presets. And there's about 580 presets with this one. So let's check it out. And we got to take a look at probably the best piano instrument that you're going to find on the internet, and that is Keyzone Classic. So this Keyzone Classic actually has emulations of the Yamaha Grand piano, the Steinway Grand, your basic electric piano, and the Rhodes piano. And this is the best you're going to get for free. Check this out. And while we're talking about pianos, you got to get your hands on the Creepy Piano. And this is another fantastic piano plugin that has a lot of crazy effects built into it, which are going to be really good for dark trap, grunge, or horror music. And also check out the other free plugins that are on this website, such as the Darksiccord. Alright, these next couple are fantastic. So the first one is Vital, which is a next level spectral warping wavetable synth. Say that 5 times fast. This one has a fantastic interface and a wide variety of different kinds of presets that you can use. And this one has a lot of sound design parameters for anyone that's interested in that stuff as well. And the next one is called Helm, and this is another fire synthesizer that's made by the same guys as the Vital, the last one we talked about. So this one also has a crazy interface and really high quality samples. I mean, that's what you can expect from these guys. Check this out. All right, and the next one we have to talk about is the Ample Guitar M2. So Ample actually has a couple free light guitar plugins that you can download, but this one is well known across the producer community. So if you don't know about it, definitely get it because it's hands down the best free guitar plugin that everyone already has. And there's also a really nice strumming mode on this that's different than just the picked mode, so you can get some nice variation if you want to make samples that include strumming. All right, the next one we got to talk about is the OBXD. And this one's based on the Oberheim OBX synth. This one has a ridiculous number of presets, and they're all categorized under different banks. And if I counted correctly, there's about over 1,200 presets in this one. And this one has extremely good bass and synth presets. So if you need some new bass sounds, this is going to be your go-to. Check these out. So now that you have the best free instruments across the whole entire internet, the only thing that's left for you to get is some fire drum samples for your beats. So if you guys need any drum kits, we have free and paid ones. Check the description below for the links to our website so you can go ahead and download all that great stuff and we'll get you right. Or you can check out this video right here where I break down the best drum kits that you need today.